Okay, so now we have other experiment. Okay, so experiment is to determine the difference in elevation between 2 points, okay, using reciprocal leveling. So we have to find the difference in elevation between 2 points by using reciprocal leveling, and also we have to determine the culmination error, okay. These are the 2 points we have today. Now we have to find those 2 points, okay. So now you people are seeing a figure, okay. So A and B are the 2 points on either side of the bank, okay. If you see the plan, you can understand A and B are the 2 points on either side of the bank. So I will keep the instrument somewhere at point A, nearby point A, and take the reading, leveling staff reading at point A, and I call that as HA, okay. Now placing the instrument the same location, I will shift the leveling staff towards point B, and I will take the reading nearby point A itself, from A there itself, point A itself, okay, and I call that as HB. So do two readings I will note down. Next, I will shift the instrument from nearby point A to the nearby point B somewhere else. If I can see the black dot at point B, that is the instrument point, okay. I will shift somewhere else nearby point B on the other bank, okay. Once I shifted over there, I will take the reading from there towards point A and as point B, and I will write down as HA dash and HB dash, HA dash and HB dash. So now I have 4 set of reading, okay. Once this is done, our next job is to find the elevation difference by using some formulas. We have a series of formulas, okay. So the formula part I will come later. So now I will let you know how to calculate, how to take the readings and conduct the experiment. So this is the arrow. So I place arrow somewhere else here. I call this as point A, okay. So that is one bank, and this is other bank, okay. So I will place the same arrow somewhere else here, and I call this as point B, that is point A, and this is point B, okay. So nearby point A, I have set up the instrument over there, okay. You can see, set up the instrument over there, okay. The instrument setup is ready. So from instrument, I will take the reading towards point A, towards point B, okay. So here's the bank, point A and point B. Start. So the initial setup is done already, okay. You can see the bubble tube that is at the center, okay. The instrument setup is done, that is at the center, okay. Now ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾಂ ಅದು ಪಕ್ಕನೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾಂ ಹಂಗೆ, okay. So instrument setup is done. This is setup at point near point A, okay. So now we have to take the readings. Now we have to take the readings, okay. So at the point A, the leveling staff is fixed, leveling staff is placed at the point A, and I will take the reading. Okay, so from here I got reading as 1.24, 1.24 meter, that is HA is equal to 1.24 meter. Again the leveling staff is shifted from here to point B. So I got the reading HB as 1.39 meter. I got the reading HB as 1.39 meter. Okay. So once it is done, I'll shift the instrument from this location to the nearby point B. Okay, to the nearby point B. Okay, next again the same procedure you have to do. Make the telescope parallel to two screws and rotate towards either inner outer surface. Until unless you get the bubble at the center. So we have two bubbles, this bubble or this bubble, both you can check, okay, but the bubble should be at the center. Okay, now the bubble is at center. So if you can rotate and check whether you got the bubble at the center or not. So you can see the bubble is at center. Okay. So again now you start with the same procedure alone. First you will take the leveling staff towards point A, okay, and take the reading. Okay, so you got the reading as 1.26. 1.26. Okay, so you will write into the HA dash column. HA dash you will write as 1.26 meter. Okay. So next that dump level will be rotated towards point B. Okay. Again you will focus and you will take the reading. So got the reading as 1.455. 1.455. We will write this into the HB dash column. We will write into the HB dash column. So HB dash is equal to 1.455 meter. Okay. So if you can see, this was the tabular column which I have said. This was the tabular column which I have said. So you will write here as HA and HB. Here HA dash and HB dash. Okay, all the four readings you will write here. Okay, later on we have a formula for this. So two difference in elevation you will calculate half into HA dash minus HB dash plus HA minus HB. Okay, by this formula, okay, you will find the difference in elevation. Okay, difference between point A and point B you will find by using this formula. Okay, after this you will find out the error, total error present in this. Okay, that is nothing but culmination error. Okay, that second part you will find that second part culmination error by using E is equal to half into HA dash minus HB dash minus HA minus HB. By using this formula you will find the total error. Okay, so once the total error is founded, okay, the total error can also be expressed as E is equal to E1 plus EC minus ER. Okay, so E1 is culmination error, okay, and EC is the error due to curvature, that we have formula minus 0.0785 d square, and ER is error due to refraction 0.0112 d square, and d is the distance between 2 points AB. So we have to measure the distance between 2 points AB, okay, in kilometer. That should be in kilometer. Okay, after this we have to find the E1 value. E1 is equal to E minus 0.0673 d square. Okay, so by this we will calculate the E value. Okay, and we will check whether this calculation part and this actual part is difference is there or not. Okay, by this we will end up the experiment. So now we are left out with we have to measure the distance between point A and B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as I said, we are left out with to find the distance between A and B. Okay. So by using measuring tape, we will find the distance. The distance tagova. So I got the reading as 2.91 meter. Okay, I got the reading as 2.91 meter. So now I have to convert this meter 2.91 meter into the kilometer. I have to convert this 2.91 meter to the kilometer. Okay, after converting this I can use into the formula. Okay, after converting this I can use into the formula. Okay, so by this we will end up this reciprocal leveling. Okay, that is nothing but to find the elevation difference between 2 points. Okay, fine, thank you.